Yo, let's
Yeah, I think
Wait, that's actually, yeah, wait, we can actually get it.
Wait.
Like dead
Yeah,
ass.
watch it.
Watch how fast he does it. What up, Thunderbirds TV? It's your boy, Renef, with Ethan Gan. It is, man. We're here at Milbum's house.
Show the address right now.
Yeah, show that address on the screen right now. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna break a world record straight up. We're gonna do it, no cap. We're trying to break this world record. It's the most mouse clicks in 30 seconds. I think the current record is about 830 clicks by this
Norwegian guy.
Norwegian virgin probably. Me and Milbum are gonna be doing the clicks, and let's say whoever gets the least clicks out of us two, regardless of if we beat the record or not, we gotta eat the chip.
I feel like it's just gonna be Eric like every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah. So I'm gonna eat the chip pretty much, but you know, you never know. I might just
Upset.
yeah, there might there might be an upset, dude. So here's the bag, everyone. It's called
We're not sponsored.
how do you pronounce it?
Pakui.
1 million? It says around 1 million Scoville units. And how hot was the ghost pepper you guys ate? I think it was 2.5 million.
Was it?
Yeah. Play that clip.
Oh my god.
It got worse. I don't know why it's getting worse. It's so bad. Yeah.
It doesn't go away.
$1 million and 5. 1 million and 6. Wait, he just started his set though. Yeah, cut that out. Cut that out. Yeah, that's go. I fell over. Dude, I won. Dude, I won that.
I think we need a rematch.
No, I think I won that.
Wait, can we take a breather? I'm kind of tired.
Luke, how are you training for this clicking battle?
I'm playing everybody's favorite game, O2.
Alright. You guys want a practice round?
No, we don't need no practice.
I think we're gonna do one round with mouses and then the other round with trackpad. Alright, I'm gonna start the timer. Ready, set, go. And they're off. Eric's technique is to like kiss his mouth because that's some space. We have 19 seconds. Eric looks like he is having trouble right now. It looks like he's taking a fat shit. That's what it sounds like.
Well, I'm off the thing.
Alright. I think Eric just messed up.
No.
And stop. How do you feel about that round? I scrolled up on accident. Shout out. How do you feel?
I think that was pretty solid, considering what I heard over there.
Alright, I'll look at the scores and I'll reveal it to both of you. Alright, so everyone, there it is. You guys can kind of see it.
What do you get?
Can't say. And then, oh, ale. That's right there. Oh, dude, you got rid of it, bro. Did I actually? Yeah. It was 126. Well, we got like 297. He like doubled you.
Open up that bag, dude.
Kind of sauce. Does it smell crazy? It smells like straight like ramen powder. Like the what?
How it like kind of hurts your nose a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, it kind of does, yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna get a big one.
No, you can get a small one if you want.
No, I'm gonna get a big one. I'm a big boy.
Ooh.
Wait.
Alright. Alright, we didn't count it down. Ooh, that's a big ass bite, dude.
Here's some more.
How is it?
It's hot.
Oh, that's hot.
Uh-oh.
Is it like burning mouth type beat hot? Or like,
A little bit.
do you need some milk? Wait, we didn't buy milk.
We didn't buy milk? That's 297 clicks right there.
No, I demand a rematch.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Let me employ the mill bump. The mill bump technique. Holding the mouse.
Holding the mouse. All right.
Let's see.
What are you gonna
the
do?
master?
You gonna do the same thing?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get my phone out. Sorry. Ready, set, go.
I screwed up again!
Do you want me to stop?
Dude, this guy's an amateur.
It looks like Eric's having trouble, dude. Trying to catch up after that throw up. He's doing better than last time. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, first one. Solid? That's actually pretty solid, dude. That's actually pretty good. I'm
Even with the
surprised.
hold up.
Even with the
hold up.
With the hold up. Where is it? In second place with 216 clicks. Curtin. And with a whopping 300 clicks.
300?
Yeah,
Mill bump.
We're getting close. We're getting close to Tim Andre.
800. Wait, how much is it again?
830?
Yeah,
Dude, this man's a legend.
I think Luke's getting pretty close.
That's another right there.
You actually gonna eat it? Oh.
Ugh. Ugh. Alright.
How's your mouth? Like, is it as bad as the ghost pepper?
No, nowhere near the ghost pepper.
But how does it feel? Like, just like...
Dude, it just like dries out your mouth, dude.
I see.
But it's actually like also really spicy.
Look at like
Yeah,
the...
that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, sometimes.
Yeah, speed.
But it doesn't keep up sometimes.
Yeah, it doesn't register sometimes.
Yeah, I think we can get to like 800 with that, dude.
You think?
But yeah, if you're not even like, cause mine like it detects when you just like click up here. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yo, this man.
Yeah, I think
Wait,
we
that's
can
actually...
get
Yeah, wait,
I
Luke
think
can
we
actually
to
get
800,
it.
dude.
Wait.
Like,
really?
deadass.
Yeah, watch this.
Watch
this.
how
Ready?
fast he does it. Can't see it, but...
Whoa, this man. Yo, hold up.
Okay,
Save
I can
that.
almost
Save that energy, because we gotta beat the record.
So Luke proposed something interesting. Luke wants to say?
Yeah. So
Alright.
we're both gonna give it a go. It's gonna be a cooperative effort this time. If both of our scores don't add up to the world record, then we both have to get a chip. I'm gonna have to carry the team for us.
No, what do you mean? No, what do you mean?
Yeah, just some breaking point type beat, dude.
Yeah, breaking point.
Eric,
Queen
Aaron,
of clutch. Play that clip.
No.
He's like,
Dude, you got a clutch for us. You got a clutch. Come on.
should I pass the laptop to you or just move out the way? What-
So like, wait. So let's practice this handoff here.
What is
So let's
this
say
strat?
we're at 25 seconds.
We're doing boom, 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 boom,
You're
boom,
getting
boom.
tired,
Uh-huh.
and then I go. What do I do? Then I
Say the
go.
code word. The code word is
Bananas.
bananas.
Yeah, bananas. So bananas at 25. 3, 2, 1, and then I. Okay, wait. So you're
I'll go
plus
slide.
and then I just go straight in. Okay.
We're doing this baton handoff. This is like Olympics right now.
Alright, there. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Looking solid so far.
Oh, look at him squinting, bro.
Look at that concentration.
Alright, don't make
We're
that
at
sound.
10 seconds.
No, don't look at the time, bro.
Yeah, we got the time. Don't worry, we got the time. Slowing down a little bit, dude.
I know, you better pick it up.
You gotta pick it up, and you got at least 200. Alright, you're at 20. You're at 20. 25.
Banana. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Alright.
You're not gonna make it.
Luke has to pick up the face. They're currently at 400 and they have 20 seconds left.
Come on,
Look at Luke's hand.
My mouth is falling.
This man is risking COVID for the record, dude.
Oh my god, no way.
Nah.
My arm's gonna fall off. No.
Oh
Aw.
my
They
god.
were a cheetah together. And
What do we get?
We got 688 clicks in 1 minute.
688.
688. We have twice as much time as this man. This
And we
man.
still didn't get up there, dude.
You guys are close.
This man, Tim Andre.
Isn't it Tom Andre?
Tom Andre? I don't know.
Alright, here we
Alright,
go.
Luke, eat it
Air
first.
cheers.
Alright,
Cheers.
I can't get both of you guys. Alright, yeah, I got you. Ooh, those crunches. Oh my god.
Already?
It just hit the back of my throat.
Oh god.
How is it?
Dude, lick your lips, dude.
No.
It's so spicy. It's so spicy.
It's not as bad as the ghost pepper whip.
Nah.
It still made me cough a bit, so.
I think you just need water to like wash down the
It's pretty hot.
It's kind of hot.
It's kind of like the chicken sandwich. Like, you know, the chicken sandwich we had at
Yes, dude.
Pinky's Hot Box.
Shout
out.
That's a shout out.
Yeah.
That's why your boy, I'm not a hutter, dude, brought my own water with the ice cubes. Thermo flask. This keeps the temperature cool at all times. This is a quick Boy Scout trick for you youngins out there.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor. Mmm.
Where's your water, Luke?
I don't have any.
Thank you for watching the video. And in honor of not beating the record and getting a new camera, we're gonna end it off with another chip. So you guys, you better like and subscribe right there. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Insert Minecraft's eating sound.
Bro, it don't hurt your throat, dude.
I don't just.
I like inhaled it.
How do we?
Alright, now Ethan's turn. No way, we really gonna do it? No. Please like and subscribe for more dumb videos like this one. Peace.